Hello guys, welcome back to the Java tutorial series. So I hope you have watched the previous video wherein I have talked about how which softwares are required to you to install before you should start the actual coding of the Java. So in this video I will be talking about the theoretical part of the Java. So in this video also we are not going to code anything. So basically we are talking about the Java application, what are the Java features and what are the 3J's of the Java. So I strongly recommend that you should watch this video if you are preparing for the interviews or any your college test. So this will be helpful for you to clear out those examinations. So what are we learning today? So we'll be learning what is Java. We will be discussing some applications of the Java, and we'll be seeing some features that makes the Java as a standout programming language. And at last we'll be covering the 3 J's of the Java, which is JVM, JRE, and JDK. So let's just get started. Okay. So what is Java? So Java is a programming language and a platform. So Java is a high-level, robust, object-oriented, and secure programming language. So talking about the history of the Java was developed by the Sun Microsystems in the year 1995, and James Gosling is the man behind the Java, and which who called as the father of the Java. Before Java, its name was Oak. Since the Oak was already registered by a company, so James Gosling and his team decided that we should change the name to from Oak to Java. So that is the history about Java. So let's just talk about the real life examples and applications where Java is used. Okay. So Java is used in a wide range of fields. Okay. So let's just discuss some of them as. So Java is used in desktop applications such as Acrobat Reader, Media Player, your antivirus which you use in your system is built using the Java programming language. And some of the web applications like IRCTC, the railway reservation systems, and the Java T Point, which is famous website wherein you can find the tutorials for the Java learning. And enterprises applications such as banking applications are built using the Java, and strong backend is also created using the Java programming language. And the mobile application and embedded system, smart cards, robotics, and the games are yet more fields which you can think Java is there. Okay, so let's talk about the features of the Java. So here you can see the picture where I have written all those features that Java has. Okay, let's just talk some few of them. So Java is simple. So what makes the Java simple? Java is very easy to learn, and its syntax is simple and clean and easy to understand. According to the Sun Microsystems, Java is a simple language because Java syntax is based on C++. So it makes easier to a new programmer to learn it better and in faster way. So Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features, for example, explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. Okay, so there is no need to unreference the object because there is an automated garbage collection is there in the Java. Okay, so another feature is Java is object oriented. So what is object oriented? So object oriented is nothing but the everything in Java is an object. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of the different types of the object that incorporate the both behavior. So Java implements the OOPS concepts such as class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. I will be covering all those OOPS concepts in detail in the upcoming video lectures. Okay, so let's talk about the one more feature here, which is main feature, I guess. The Java is platform independent. So what is Java platform independence? Platform independence means once you write your Java code, that is the .java file, and once you execute that file, it creates the .class file of that Java program. So what is .class file? So that .class file is the bytecode of the Java which you can run in any operating system. So let's suppose Windows is there, Mac OS is there, Linux is there. You can take that .class file and you can run any of these platforms any of this operating system. So that makes the Java as a platform independent language. Okay, so enough talking about the features. Let's move on to the 3J's of the Java. So this is the most frequently asked questions in the interviews and your college examinations. What is JDK, what is JRE, and what is JVM? So let's just talk about it in detail. Okay, so first I will be talking about JVM. So here you can see the JVM. Okay, so what is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is an abstract machine. It is a specification that provides a runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. So as earlier I have told you, the dot Java class file is converted into dot class file. Dot class file is the actual bytecode that Java uses to run that code. Okay, and then again that dot class file is converted into machine understandable code. Okay, so that part is handled by JVM. So what JVM performs the task. Okay, JVM loads the code, it verifies your code, it executes your code, and provides the runtime environment to the user to execute the Java program. Okay, so let's just talk about JRE. So what is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It is a set of software tools which are used for the developing the Java applications. It is used to provide the runtime environment. It is implementation of the JVM. It is physically exist. It contains the set of libraries and other files that JVM uses at the runtime. So here you can see JVM, the set of libraries like jar, etc, and other files together makes JRE. So JRE, so I hope you understand the JRE. So let's move ahead and talk about JDK. So JDK is an acronym for the Java Development Kit. So till now we have learned JVM, JRE, and some development tools are there like Java C, Java, and all those things forms a JDK. So you might have seen one software we have installed in our first video, that is download JDK, and this is the JDK. So what contains inside a JDK is JVM, JRE, and the development tools which are required for the Java applications to be built. Okay, so Java JDK is a software development environment which is used to develop Java application and applets. It physically exists. It contains JRE plus development tools. So as I told you, JRE plus some development tools forms together a JDK, and which we have installed in the first video. So enough talking about theoretical part. I hope you guys learn something about the theoretical part of the Java. So in our upcoming videos, we'll be starting to code in Java programming language, and we'll be coding our first Java program in the upcoming videos. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.